We've had them in there now for a while cooking. How many minutes?
20 minutes.
20 minutes in the oven. So now Miss Danielle is adding the cheese to it, the mozzarella cheese to the top of it.
Put it back in there until it becomes bubbly.
I did sneak a taste of the sauce that was really good. What all did you put in the sauce, Danielle?
Well, it's Prego Old World style with a pound and a half of hamburger meat, browned and drained. And also, I put 1 cup of small curd cottage cheese in the meat sauce, like a lasagna. It's just a bell pepper lasagna without the noodles.
Okay. You ready to put it back in?
Yes, sir.
She's going back in. We present to you vegetable lasagna. Like Danielle was saying, it's lasagna without the layers. So we just use the green peppers, hollowed out, of course. Here's the transfer vehicle for it. Carb friendly, it looks daggone good. We'll tell you later how good it is. Time to chow down. It's Brian from Team Hutchins. Peace. Hey everybody, it's Brian from Team Hutchins. Just wanted to let you know how awesome that Danielle's green pepper lasagna was. It was a hit. Basically 1 pepper pod, I guess you'd call it, is plenty enough for a meal. It's very good. We put in the recipe at the bottom. If you like our recipe, just give us a like, share, and stay put. We'll be putting more recipes online.
Sure.
I hope we get to cruise one day. That's Brian Team Hutchins. Have a good day.